Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, then tap power off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds, like this. When you're in this kind of menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key. In this menu, use volume keys to navigate to the last option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key. After cache wipe completes, you just have to select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.